Campanelli's Child Study Team is a group of extraordinary individuals, and I think what's special about the Campanelli CST team is that each individual is such an expert in their area. I feel really lucky to get to work with these people because they make me want to be better every day. Through thick and thin, they always show up and always have each other's backs.
CST is the Child Study Team. We are a group of individuals from different expertise areas.
Our child study team is comprised of our psychologist, social worker, speech and language pathologist. We have 2 SSTs, our nurse and our administration.
Our child study team serves students with IEPs and 504 plans, but also just students at Campanelli to help them be the very best that they can be.
We are very different, but yet we bring all of our strengths together, which I believe truly makes our team just really top performing.
Miss Simmons, the school psychologist here at Campanelli, is one of the most fun yet professional people I've ever met. She is so devoted to what she does as a school psychologist, but she brings such a joy and level of comfort that she always will have our back.
One of our members is a little more than 30 years, Diane. I'd never see her truly flustered. She's always very calm. Hearing from her how she's evolved over the last 30 years just as a speech pathologist and the different ways to help students with their comprehension, speaking, understanding. And I think that having us follow those trends will help the students and everybody be successful.
Mrs. Hoyer is newer to Campanelli, and she's formed such amazing bonds and relationships within the 2 years she's been here that it's just remarkable. Caroline is an amazing listener. She's our social worker, and every time I talk to her, I feel like she just listens and she's able to help look at things with a unique perspective, and that's something I admire about her. Megan, the special services teacher, ensures that kids are regulated and ready to learn before trying to teach them something new. She is an awesome teammate. She cheerleads on everyone. She's a great leader, great at communicating the plans with both parents and other teachers and staff members so everyone's on the same page and can best support students.
Nurse Blocker, I'm really fortunate we get to work together in the main office. She sees so many kids, knows every single student at Campanelli, and really makes sure that our school is healthy and safe place for everyone, and that students are healthy to be at school and to be their very best.
Thank you, Ms. Simmons, for helping me say positive words to myself, because this one test I wrote, I'm gonna rock this test, and I did really good.
It's really exciting to have gotten the award, and that we got it together as a team, I think, is really special because I think we're a really strong team that feels really proud of the work we do with kids.
I had no idea we were even nominated. I was dumbfounded when it was presented to us and we were called outside for a supposed crisis. Campanelli is so lucky to have you as our CST. We are so thankful for the work that you put in every single day, the way you help us learn and grow and better serve our students.
Thank you, Ms. Simmons, for helping me this whole school year. I love it when I go to your office. Thank you, my special teachers, Ms. Boynton, Nurse Blocker, Ms. Lang, and Ms. King and Ms. Hoyer. Thank you for all of your support.